In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive to create a folder and a subfolder. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to organize your files in a clear, structured way so you can quickly find what you need. Let's start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing in to your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Drive homepage. This is where all your files and folders live. If your Drive already has content, don't worry. We're just going to add some structure on top of what you have. To create a new folder, move your mouse to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the New button. It's usually near the top left corner. A small menu will appear. From this menu, choose Folder. A box will pop up asking you to name your folder. Type in a clear, descriptive name so you'll remember what belongs inside. For example, you might call it Work Documents, School Projects, or Family Photos. When you're done typing, click Create. You should now see your new folder appear in your Drive. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top and type the folder name to locate it quickly. Go ahead and double-click the folder to open it. Right now, it will be empty, and that's perfectly fine. This is just the container we'll be working with. Next, let's create a subfolder inside this folder. A subfolder is simply a folder within a folder, which helps you organize things even further. While you're inside your main folder, click the New button again, in the same top left area. From the menu, click Folder once more. Just like before, a box will appear asking for the folder name. This time, choose a name that fits within the main folder's theme. For example, if your main folder is School Projects, your subfolder could be Math or Science. Then click Create. You'll now see that subfolder sitting inside your main folder. You can repeat this process to create as many subfolders as you need, organizing by date, topic, client, or any system that works for you. To move files into these folders later, you can drag and drop them from your main Drive view, or right-click a file and choose the Move option. Then select your folder or subfolder. That's all you need to do to create a folder and a subfolder in Google Drive. With this simple structure, keeping your files neat and easy to find becomes much more manageable.